This is the review of Cheero Danboard Lightning and micro USB cable. The cable is packed in a compact package. On the front panel you can see how it looks like, we learn about length, and Cheero informs that it works with iPads, iPhones and iPods. Cheero Danboard USB cable is available in 3 versions, with micro USB connector, Lightning connector and 2-in-1 Lightning and micro USB. In addition, each of the 3 versions is available in 5 different cable lengths: 10, 25, 50, 100 and 180 centimeters, so you can choose the one fitting you the most. The reviewed cable comes with 2 connectors, so you can use them according to your needs. At the end of the cable there are Lightning and micro USB connectors, and if, for example, you want to charge Apple device, just put the Lightning tip onto micro USB plug and you're set. If you want to use micro USB, remove the tip and you can use the micro USB. Core part is made of stylish brown fabric. The advantage of this is that it reduces tangling of the cable. At the other end of the cable there is USB plug, which is stylized as Danbo, a cardboard robot from the Yotsuba manga. It has an interesting feature. When it is connected to a power source, Danbo eyes light up in red. It is telling us that it is connected. In contrast, they turn into yellow while charging your device. To sum up, the Cheero Danboard Lightning and micro USB cable is well made and has an interesting design, distinguishing it from other cables of this type. Adding an interesting functionality to the USB plug and the fabric cable that decreases tangling is also a big plus. In addition, if you have devices with micro USB, an Apple Lightning port, and you do not want to carry around 2 different cables, Cheero Danboard Lightning and micro USB cable is the best solution for you. Thank you for watching, please comment, like, subscribe and share.